A lot of the times people hear the word tech and immediately think, okay, hardcore coding, math, no social life, and that's where it stops. It's just you sitting in a dark room. But here's the part nobody explains to you properly, and it's that tech isn't one job. It is an entire ecosystem of varying occupations. You've got people who build the thing, sure, but you've also got people who test it, people who explain the thing, people who support the thing, people who sell it, and then there are those who translate the thing between humans and machines. So for example, first we have a business analyst, right? Business analyst isn't sitting there coding all day. They're figuring out what businesses actually need and translating that into something developers can actually build, right? So they're basically the middleman. Same with product roles. They decide what gets built, why it matters, and in what order. And then there is QA and software testing. These are basically the people whose job is literally to break systems before the users do. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to be curious, detail-oriented, and able to think, okay, what could go wrong here? And then you've got tech and application support, right? This is people who understand systems well enough to fix the problems and calm users down while simultaneously keeping things running. That's often how people get their foot into the door. And then you've got the data side of things. Roles like the junior data analyst or the reporting analyst are basically about making sense of information, dashboards, trends, insights, not building AI from scratch. We'll leave that to the computer science. And then there's basically hybrid roles, right? We've got the UX designers for the creatives, technical writers for the other creatives, specifically those who are fairly good at English literature and explaining really hard, complex, jargon-filled terminology and then just simplifying it for the rest of us, right? And then there's also solutions consultants, sales engineers. These people basically sit between tech and people, right? They explain complex things simply, and that skill is particularly rare. The point is, tech isn't a single ladder, right? It's basically an entire city. Just imagine it. And boot camps, short courses, self-study, these are the entry points, not the destinations. If you're basically waiting until you feel ready, you will be waiting forever. Start learning something, literally anything. One skill leads to the other, and momentum leads to perfection. Okay, slow motion is better than no motion. And that's how people actually break into the scene. That's how people break into the tech industry. But if you guys have enjoyed this video, this has been the Tech Comic, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. See you guys later.